The MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults is a versatile and powerful option for anyone looking to explore urban environments or venture into nature. With a 700W peak power motor, the bike is designed to provide a smooth and efficient ride, regardless of the terrain. This review will delve into various aspects of the bike, including its performance, design, comfort, and features, giving potential buyers a comprehensive understanding of what to expect. Performance at the heart of the MOONCOOL Electric Bike is its robust 700W peak power motor. This motor allows for impressive acceleration and climbing ability, making it ideal for hilly terrains and daily commutes alike. The bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, which is impressive for an e-bike. The pedal assist feature gives riders the freedom to choose how much effort they want to exert, which makes for a customizable riding experience. The 7-speed transmission system complements the motor effectively, allowing for smooth gear transitions and efficient power distribution that matches the rider's input. The bike is equipped with a 48V removable lithium-ion battery, which can provide a range of approximately 40 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and usage. The ability to remove the battery is a thoughtful design choice, making it convenient for users to charge it indoors without having to bring the entire bike inside. The charging time is relatively quick, typically around 4 to 6 hours, ensuring that you can get back on the road without a lengthy wait. Design: MOONCOOL's electric bike impresses with its modern design and aesthetics. The step-through frame is particularly notable for its user-friendly approach, allowing for easy mounting and dismounting, which is an essential feature for those who might have mobility concerns or prefer a more casual riding style. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, making it lightweight yet durable. This balance ensures that the bike is easy to handle while still being able to withstand the rigors of daily use. The bike features a sleek and minimalist appearance, with a range of color options that cater to different tastes. The integrated LED lights not only enhance the bike's visual appeal but also serve a crucial safety function, making the bike visible during low-light conditions. Additionally, the bike's design incorporates fenders, which add a layer of protection against splashes and debris, particularly for those who may ride in varied weather conditions. Comfort is a vital aspect of any bicycle, and MOONCOOL does not disappoint here. The bike is equipped with a comfortable saddle that provides ample cushioning for longer rides. The adjustable seat height allows riders of varying sizes to find their optimal riding position. Moreover, the handlebars are designed to offer an ergonomic grip, reducing strain on the wrists and arms, which is particularly beneficial for extended use. The bike also features a front suspension fork, adding to the overall comfort by absorbing bumps and shocks from uneven surfaces. This makes the MOONCOOL suitable for both urban commuting and light off-road adventures. Riders will appreciate the smooth handling and stability, which are crucial for navigating through traffic or on rugged trails. Features: in terms of features, the MOONCOOL electric bike is well equipped for modern riders. The bike includes a multifunctional LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and assist level. This display is user-friendly and easy to read, allowing riders to monitor their performance at a glance. The bike's brakes deserve special mention, as they incorporate a dual braking system consisting of front and rear disc brakes. This feature ensures reliable stopping power, enhancing safety, especially when riding at higher speeds. The combination of the braking system and the bike's overall sturdy construction instills confidence in riders, knowing they can stop effectively even in emergency situations. Conclusion: in summary, the MOONCOOL electric bike for adults stands out as a reliable and enjoyable option in the growing e-bike market. Its powerful motor, user-friendly design, and focus on comfort make it suitable for a wide range of riders, from casual cyclists